How to fix we've sent the code to the Telegram app on your other device. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix we've sent the code to other Telegram app on your other device. So if you are trying to log into your Telegram account, but it's saying that they've sent the code to your other device, then that means your Telegram is logged in somewhere else on another device. That's why you are not getting an SMS message, and instead it's sending the code to your other device. So in that case, what you can do is first open up a Telegram app, and then from here, you're going to go ahead and clear its data. So tap on it and tap on the three lines to go to settings. Once you are on your settings page, simply go ahead and tap on data and storage and then click on storage users. Now click on clear cache and simply clear out all of its cache. And after doing so, it will clean out your chats. So this is the first method. After this, what you need to do is go ahead and request a new code on your SMS. So go to your login page. And now on your login page, you're going to have to enter your phone number. So I'm just going to go ahead and quickly enter my phone number. Once you have entered your phone number, it will ask if the phone number is correct or not. And in that case, you're just going to have to click on yes. And if you are already logged into your account, or if your logged in info is already saved, then in that case, you won't need to enter any OTP. If you haven't saved your login info in your device, then in that case, you'll be asked to enter the OTP. So I'm just going to click on yes. And now it has directly logged me in because I have my login info saved. But if you haven't saved your login info, you'll need to enter the OTP that you get on your SMS. Or if you don't get the SMS option, then in that case, what you need to do is download Telegram X. And Telegram X will ask you to enter the OTP that you get on your SMS. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.